Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you will find our email and website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share my channel with other people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Enjoy the video and talk to you soon. Bye.